If you have overgrown hedge from the wild grapes, trimming it with this could be a little bit difficult and I would say time consuming. Instead, do this. Get proper hedge trimmer like this. This is weed eater. Can be used for stronger branches, but we're gonna use it on these wild grapes and we're gonna cut it all within minutes. So of course, have some work gloves or garden gloves. Eye protection essential. Have a good extension cord because you'll probably have to go along your fence for 10, 20, 30 feet. Now test it out. Now make sure there are no wires, there are no bulbs, there is nothing because it can overgrow. For my case, it overgrown pretty largely. It went towards the lighting, so make sure there are no wires. Go to the bottom, grab some branches, test it out. That's how you're gonna go from bottom to the top, and then when you need to trim it lightly, you go from top to the bottom. Essential, don't trim it at the angle because when these branches become dry and you walk along them, you might cut yourself. So make sure that when you try to cut branches at 90 degrees. And as you can see, that's how easy it is. In some cases, have a hand trimmer handy because it's easier to hand trim some of the branches. Now you can get a little help with the cleaning and basically just remove them. Of course, you can use leaf blower to remove all the leaves. We're just doing handwork and I get some help. As you can see, it took me less than 5 minutes to trim all this edge. Key here is to remove all the unnecessary grown grapes to make the passage. Of course, you can spend time and make it professional, make it looking great from the top as well. I don't want to cut it from the top. I want to have the same height as we have right now, but essentially that we emptied the passage to the garden in less than 5 minutes. And I think the more time we'll have to spend on cleaning it up. Since these are wild grapes, one tip, because we have some grapes here, watch for wasps. I see some wasps, they're not happy, but they're not aggressive. Just be careful. And of course you can make it way faster if you use leaf blower, but as I said, it's a bit early and I do not want to wake up the neighbors. We're going to remove the leaves from the ground a little bit later, but essentially this is the easiest way to trim the wild grapes with the hedge trimmer within 5 minutes. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please like, comment, subscribe. This will greatly help this channel to grow, and until the next one. Cheers!